Hello friends, today I will teach you Merchant of Venice from Act 1, Scene 1 from Salarno. Salarno, my wind cooling my broth, would blow me to an argue. When I thought what harm a wind too great might do at sea, I should not see the sandy hourglass run, but I should think of shallows and of flat, and see my wealthy Andrew dogged in sand, veiling her high top lower than her ribs to kiss her brevel. Should I go to church? The meaning of all these lines is if I blow on my soup, broth means soup. To cool it, the act would make me shiver like fever. Think what harm strong wind can cause at sea. I could not see the sand run from the half of the hourglass to other without thinking of dangers of shallows and quicksand, thinking that I saw the rich ship stuck in the sand. To kiss her brewl should I go to church. The meaning of this line is to buried in the church and see the holy edifice of stone. Edifice means building. To see the holy building of the stone. This is the meaning of this line. And not bent think me straight of dangerous rock. And he is telling that not bent think me straight of dangerous rocks, which touching but my gentle vessel side. Now vessel means ship, which is touching to his ship. This is the meaning of this line. Would scatter all her species on stream, enrove the roaring waters with my seals. Enrove means cover. Cover the water with his skills. This is the meaning of this line. Enrove the rolling waters with my skill means enrove means cover. Cover the roaring waters with my skill. And in a word, but even now worth this and now worth nothing. Shall I have thought to think to this, and shall I lack the thought that such a thing bechanced would make me sad? Bechanced. Now, what is the meaning of bechanced? Bechanced means same, but tell not me. I know Antonio is sad to think upon his merchandise. Merchandise means business. Now, here Salarno is telling कि you are sad because of your ships are in the river. That's why you are so sad. Antonio, believe me, no, I thank my fortune for it. My ventures are not in one bottom trusted, not to one place, nor in my whole state. Upon the fortune of this present year, therefore my merchandise makes me not sad. In this paragraph, it is telling that believe me, I am not. I thank my good fortune that my business ventures are not all risked in only one ship, nor one place. Ventures means business. My financial status does not depend on business transaction of only this year. That is why my merchandise does not make me sad. Here Antonio is telling that I am not focused in my ships. I am not worried of my ships, so I am not sad for from that. Salarno, why then you are in love? Salarno is telling to Antonio, then why you are in love? Antonio, five. Five means same. I am not in love. Thank you. Today only this much. In next video I will start from Salarno.